Hi guys, let's get into it. We have Nona with Honk. Let's check it out.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the Honk. Beep, beep. Get on the Honk. Beep, beep. Get on the Honk. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate. Gaga, I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the Honk. Beep, beep. Get on the Honk. Beep, beep. Get on the
Wow, that was incredible. They have this unwavering energy that is just inviting and just wants to just get up and dance. Like, wow, incredible. I like it. Definitely a vibe that I can get used to. Short and sweet and straight to the point. That's how I like it. So, that was amazing. So, with that being said, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.